Hey YouTube, what's going on? Brandon here. Now I'm shooting this video for a second time. I'm not going to go through the whole process like I did on the previous video, but this is going to be for the HP 6600. There was someone who left a comment saying that they couldn't really see the what I was doing here with the nozzles, so I'm reshooting it and I'm going to make sure that everything is completely visible. I'm going to also link that video, so if you want to see the whole video of me cleaning, kind of explaining the whole process up to this point, go ahead and watch that. But for now, I want you to go ahead and take a look here at those nozzles. Now there's a magenta, cyan, yellow, and black. That is what you are putting the syringe over and cleaning out. You're pushing your isopropyl alcohol right through there and you are cleaning those out. All right, so you have a very close visual of what we are doing here. So you can see here exactly what's going on. It's right over that nozzle, the syringe, which you can go on my website for, bestprinterstech.com. You see there, I'm putting my hand over it. And I want this to be really clear because I don't want to have to. So you see what I'm doing there? You've got the syringe set up there and it's going right onto the nozzle. Now if you have the kit, it's going to be pretty straightforward on what you need to do. So from here, you're just pushing this solution right through, and I'm not going to do it now. This is just for demonstration purposes. But once you're done with that nozzle, you're going to take this off, magenta, and you're going to put it right over cyan. You're going to put it right over cyan, just like that. If you're having a problem with a specific color, you would focus on that color. Here's a video of me showing you really clearly what you need to do, and it's pretty straightforward. Once you're at this point, you just clean all the nozzles. If there's a color specifically you need to clean up, you can focus on that color. But this is straightforward. This is basically what you need to do. So I hope this is a good visual representation of what needs to happen. Now you can buy the cleaning kit on bestprinterstech.com. Go in the description below and go ahead and click on there. And that website has a ton of resources if you're having some of these printing issues. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions besides this, go ahead and comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.